How to fix Epic Games Launcher double screen or cropped screen. So the first thing that we want to do is close Epic Games completely. So from the system tray here, we just want to right click on it and exit. After we have closed Epic Games, we are going to open up our computer search for Epic Games, find the Epic Games Launcher here, right click on it, open file location, find the Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, go to properties. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the compatibility mode tab, check this option, run this program as an administrator, and then change high DPI settings. Click on this, check this box, override high DPI scaling behavior, and you can leave this as application here. Click on OK, click on apply, click on OK yet again, and now your Epic Games Launcher should work without issue. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.